Welcome back to our geography series. Today, we are opening the Earth Atlas to decode Rajasthan's mineral and energy wealth. Often visualized as an endless desert, this state is actually a definitive geographical and economic powerhouse for India. Let's dig into the numbers and geology that make Rajasthan the nation's resource engine. Geologists refer to Rajasthan as the Museum of Minerals. The state boasts an impressive 81 total mineral types deposited within its borders. Of these, 58 are actively mined, comprising 22 major and 36 minor minerals. This massive operation contributes a staggering 22% to India's total mineral production. When we look at the national leaderboards, Rajasthan ranks first in mineral diversity and non-metallic production, second in total mineral storage, trailing only behind Jharkhand, and third in overall mineral income. To understand this wealth, we must look at the state's geological triad. Strata 1 is made up of sedimentary rocks in the northwestern desert, which output vital energy minerals like tertiary petroleum, natural gas, and lignite coal. Strata 2 features the ancient Davao rocks of the Precambrian Aravalli range, providing the state's metallic minerals like copper, iron ore, and lead-zinc. Strata 3 consists of Vindhyan rocks located in the Hadoti Plateau of southeastern Rajasthan, which supplies renowned stone-based minerals like sandstone, limestone, and kota stone. Rajasthan holds absolute dominance over several resources, often called its crown jewels. The state holds a monopoly on lead-zinc, primarily found in Bhilwara and Udaipur, which is essential for paints and batteries. Wollastonite, sourced from Siroi and Ajmer, is crucial for ceramics and metallurgy. Jasper, heavily used for ornamental stones, is an exclusive state monopoly located in Jodhpur. The state is also rich in selenite from Bikaner and Barmer, Tonk and Ajmer's abrasive garnets, and the brilliant emeralds, the green fire, found along the Rajsamand-Ajmer belt. Deep within the Aravalli veins lie the metallic minerals driving heavy industry. Copper, vital for electrical wires and heavy machinery, is heavily mined in Junjunu and Alwar. Iron ore, the absolute backbone of construction and railways, is sourced from Jaipur and Dausa. Nagaur provides tungsten, essential for military cartridges and electrical filaments, while Banswara hides deep deposits of manganese and gold. Moving to the Vindhyan strata, we uncover the builder's palette. Rajasthan is the architectural foundation of the country. This includes the globally renowned Makrana marble, Bheslana in Jaipur, and Rishabdev in Udaipur. It also features the distinct textures from Jaisalmer, Dholpur, and Karoli, the famous granite of Jalore, and the iconic Kota stone from Kota and Chittorgarh. Beyond metals and stones, Rajasthan provides crucial non-metallic catalysts. For agriculture, gypsum from Bikaner and Nagaur, alongside rock phosphate from Udaipur, forms the absolute foundation of the fertilizer industry and soil treatment. Massive reserves of potash are also emerging in Hanumangarh. Industrially, fuller's earth from Barmer is highly utilized in oil refining and cosmetics, while Bikaner leads the production of ball and china clay, essential for ceramics and insulation. Powering the economy are Rajasthan's carbonic basins. The state houses 4 massive tertiary petroleum basins spanning 150,000 square kilometers. The Jaisalmer Basin, Bikaner-Nagaur Basin, Vindhyan Basin, and the largest, the Barmer-Sanchor Basin, home to the historic Mangala Well. Furthermore, the Jaisalmer Basin is dominated by massive natural gas fields, while high-concentration tertiary lignite coal reserves are heavily mapped in Barmer and Bikaner. This raw fossil extraction actively fuels the state's grid-scale power generation. The thermal power network is massive, featuring the Suratgarh supercritical plant, the Chabda supercritical plant, and the Kota superthermal plant. For nuclear power, the Rawatbhata plant in Chittorgarh has been an established pillar since 1973, with a proposed expansion plan for Banswara. But the future lies above ground. With 325 clear sunny days and peak solar radiation intensity across its vast, unobstructed barren land footprint, Rajasthan is a renewable powerhouse with a 142 gigawatt solar potential. The undisputed crown jewel here is the Bhadla Solar Park in Phalodi. Generating 2,245 megawatts across 4 distinct phases, it is the largest solar park in the state, driving utility-scale generation. Complementing solar are the secondary green engines. With a 284 gigawatt potential, wind energy is booming. Jaisalmer is the dominant hub, home to the state's first plant in Amar Sagar and the massive Bada Bagh Wind Park. Secondary hubs exist in Pratapgarh and Sikar. The state is also harvesting biomass from mustard oil residue, juliflora, and rice husk. Sri Ganganagar district holds the absolute highest potential for this, hosting the pioneering Padampur plant. Managing this monumental scale requires a robust institutional framework. Apex state extractors include RSMML headquartered in Udaipur, Hindustan Zinc operating mega smelters, and Hindustan Copper centered in Khetri. On the refining side, the Pachpadra Petroleum Refinery in Balotra is a massive 72,937 crore facility, structured as a joint venture between HPCL and the Rajasthan government to produce BSV standard fuel. Looking ahead to the 2030 Vision Board, Rajasthan plans to increase its total mining area to 1% and expand its producing minerals from 58 to 70. Economically, this is projected to generate 50 lakh direct and indirect jobs and triple mining revenue to 1 lakh crore rupees by 2046. Crucially, the M-Sand ecological mandate seeks to drive a 20% annual increase in manufactured sand to replace river sand, targeting 30 million tons by 2029 for critical ecological conservation. The ultimate 2030 clean energy vision targets a staggering 90,000 megawatts. This will be achieved through 65,000 megawatts of solar, 15,000 megawatts of wind, 10,000 megawatts of hydro pump storage, and a massive pivot to green hydrogen targeting 2,000 KTPA to establish absolute energy security. Ultimately, Rajasthan is a complete economic ecosystem. Its ancient geological foundation provides the extracted wealth that funds modern industrial expansion. Now, its vast barren geographies are transitioning into clean energy hubs. Rajasthan is not merely a storehouse of static minerals, it is India's most dynamic engine of industrial and renewable transition. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment if enjoyed this quick revision.